Hello friends, once again welcome to Kusum Yoga. Friends, is your job demanding you a long period of sitting and working on a computer? If yes, then definitely you are going to be countered with some of these problems, or maybe you are already suffering with them. But don't worry friends, in the next couple of minutes, you are going to learn a restorative sitting yoga flow, and you can turn your chair into your own personal fitness station. Not only it's an easy treatment to all the problems related to your long sitting hours, but also this flow is going to help you reduce your blood pressure, hypertension and diabetes. So please learn it and don't forget to subscribe. Practice it anywhere, anytime while sitting. Sit relaxed on your chair. Inhale and stretch your arms upward. Look up and slightly bend the spine towards your back. Relax. Raise and fold your left arm, placing your palm behind your neck. Now gently pull your left elbow as much as you can. This will help you reduce the stiffness in your shoulder. Repeat the same with your right side by pulling your right elbow with left hand. Stay relaxed but focused and feel the stretch. Hold the posture for few breaths. Twist your trunk towards your left side by turning your head and shoulders. Maximize the twist by grabbing the chair and pulling it. After approx 5 breaths, repeat the exercise with your right side. Grab the pipe of your chair again and pull. Relax. Now make a bridge by placing your palms on the seat of the chair and raising your pelvis towards the sky. Bend your spine as much as you can. Give a few swings front and back. This will reduce the stiffness in your lower back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale again, bend forward. Relax. Now raise your left hand towards the sky. Keep looking towards your left palm. Slowly come up. Now bend your left leg. Grab it against your chest. Drop your forehead on your knee and relax for a few breaths. From here, hold your left toe with your right hand and unfold your leg straight in front of your chest. Extend your left arm backward and look back. Hold your toe with both the hands and try to touch your knee with your forehead. Stay in the posture for a few breaths and slowly come down. Relax. We'll repeat the same exercise with our right side. Again, make a bridge. Place your palms on the seat. Bend your spine. Give a few swings front and back. Sit down. Exhale, bend forward. Relax. Inhale and raise your right hand towards the sky. Keep looking at the right palm. Come back. Now bend your right leg. Grab it against your chest. Hold it tight. Drop your forehead and relax. Hold your right toe with your left hand Unfold your right leg in front of your chest and turn backward while extending your right hand back. Hold your toe, pull it and try to do head to knee. After approx 5 breaths, relax and come down. Sit with legs apart. Bend a little forward and twist your trunk backward, first towards your left and then towards your right. While twisting, keep pressing your knees. It's so relaxing for your back. Relax. Again, give a stretch. Thanks for watching. You can even practice this in your workspace when you feel tired and feel like to grab a cup of coffee. This 5 minutes practice will rejuvenate you and recharge your mind and body. So next time when you feel your chair is a boring stuff, utilize it for your fitness.